How to add Shazam on Control Center on your iPhone or iPad. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually add the Shazam feature on your Control Center on your iPhone or iPad. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, if you don't know what Shazam is basically a feature on iOS devices that actually recognizes the music that is playing on your iPhone or that is playing around you. It is basically a music recognition feature for absolutely free on iOS devices. And in order to add that to our Control Center, and if you don't know what Control Center is as well, what you have to do is you can see that if I swipe down my notifications panel from the top right hand corner of the screen, this is basically my Control Center, which is the shortcuts for all of the features which I want an easy access or a quick shortcut to. And if you want to add Shazam to this Control Center so that you can recognize music and then see what songs you're playing, what you have to do is we are going to start by launching the Settings app. Once we launch settings, here we have to look for the option called Control Center. Right at the bottom under the general settings, you have the option called Control Center. So you have to simply tap on Control Center. Once you tap on Control Center, you can see all of the included controls right on top. Now these included controls are already on my Control Center if I actually swipe over here. And the unincluded controls are right at the bottom of the screen. If I want to add some kind of shortcuts to my Control Center, I would have to tap on the plus button next to any of the shortcuts or the controls which I want to add to my Control Center. But in order to add Shazam, what we have to do is we have to look for the option called music recognition. So right at the bottom, halfway down the bottom, now it may vary depending on your device as well. But first, it is basically going to be in an alphabetical order. So you have to tap on this music recognition button and then tap on the plus button next to it. You can see this icon in this blue color. You have to tap on the plus button. As you tap on the plus button, it is going to be disappeared from here and it will move upwards toward the included controls tab, and you can see the music recognition button has been added, which means we have added to our Control Center. Now let's say you want to identify any of the songs you're playing around you, whether you're using headphones or you're using a song on anywhere. In order to actually recognize the song, you have to actually swipe down your notifications panel, and right here you'll be able to see this Shazam icon, which is the music recognition icon. You have to simply tap on it once and you can see the music recognition currently on, and it is also going to be highlighted if it is turned on. Whenever you play a song, it is going to be basically recognized and it will show you right on your Control Center. If you want to turn it off, you have to simply tap on it once in order to actually turn it off as well. And if you long press on it, you'll be able to see a whole bunch of options of your history and all of the songs you have recognized so far from Shazam on Control Center on your iPhone. And this is basically how you can add Shazam on Control Center on your iPhone or iPad. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.